Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ShareASale account for affiliate tracking in the USA, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the ShareASale website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the necessary information to create your account. Choose whether you want to become a publisher or a merchant. If you're a publisher, select the option to promote products and services. Complete the registration form with your personal and business information. Make sure to provide a valid email address for account verification. After submitting, check your email for a verification link from ShareASale. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Log into your ShareASale dashboard using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. Navigate to the Get Links section to find affiliate opportunities. Browse through the available merchants to find those that align with your niche. Apply to the merchant programs that interest you. Once approved, you'll gain access to unique affiliate links for their products. Copy the affiliate links provided for use in your promotions. Explore additional marketing tools within the Marketing Tools section. Consider utilizing banners, text links, or product data feeds. Set up your tracking to monitor clicks and conversions effectively. In the dashboard, navigate to reports to keep track of your performance. Review your earnings and performance data regularly to optimize your strategies. Stay updated on any new merchants and promotions within the ShareASale network. Periodically check your account settings to ensure everything is accurate. Adjust your promotional strategies based on performance data. Remember to follow the compliance guidelines for each merchant you partner with. Continue building relationships with merchants to maximize your affiliate earnings. That concludes the configuration process for your ShareASale account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.